Hi, this is Michael. I'm the sales manager at Canada Mats, and I'd like to show you a new carpet installation that we've just done last night at the Boucher Center in New Westminster. We've installed our Dura Nop Plus high traffic entrance matting, which is perfect for locations like this where it's the entrance to a SkyTrain station, one of the busiest doors in New Westminster. And the nice thing about this product is that it comes in 13-foot wide rolls up to 100 feet long. It seams together great, so we can do pretty much any size that you need. And our installers can come on site and cut around any features in the room for a perfectly seamless finish. And what you'll see here is our installers cut around pillars into the doorways and all around the walls for a built-in carpet look, and applied heavy-duty beveled edging along the traffic areas that needed it. So the challenge that our customer was having with their existing mat was that it was moving and being pulled back away from the wall, and it was also curling and causing tripping hazards. So what we've done is we've installed the mat wall to wall, applied edging along the traffic areas, and we've applied rapid tack, which is a sticky, tacky underlay that doesn't leave a residue. We've applied that to the back of the mat so that it won't move and it won't damage their floors. So this creates a safer surface for people to walk on. The Dura Nop Plus is a very stable, very secure, resilient mat. It won't curl when people kick it or walk on it. It's even spike and skate resistant. So it's one of the most durable products out there. It's widely used in Toronto, Edmonton, and some of the most challenging environments. And it's also perfect for Vancouver and the wetter climates because it absorbs more water than just about any mat on the market. We have the largest selection of high traffic entrance matting in all of North America, and some very unique products that are incredibly exciting that you won't find anywhere else. So please feel free to reach out if you have a challenge in your facility, and we'd be happy to help provide a quote and offer our recommendations.